Ni hao de Bilibili Guangzhong, or welcome to my Bilibili viewers. Yes, I am starting a whole new channel in China. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the Bilibili logo, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. You are going to need a pencil, a pen, and an eraser. And to draw the Bilibili logo, basically we need to draw a box like that. Put the aerial, so it's the TV basically, and put the aerial up there. We want little legs, and we're going to want to have a little face on there like that, and a little happy kind of smile like that. And then we want to write Bilibili underneath, so we need to draw B-I-L-I, oops, it's quite wide, this B-I-L-I. So let's start round about there. We're going to come all the way around and then curl around and then curl around. And then here we're going to curl around and we're going to curl around. And then we're going to go curl around. So we're following, this is called an inline. We're following in line like that. And then we want to come around and around, and then we want two little bumps on the bottom, and then we want to draw two sort of happy smiley eyes like that. It's got a kind of a feeling of a cat to it, hasn't it? And then a W shape or a moustache shape, and then we can shade the whole thing in. That's going to take me so long, I'm going to change to a brush pen, which is a lot quicker. Now when it comes to writing the Bilibili letters, we want to have slightly wider on the top and then bring that down, and then we want to have that coming around, and then the center is actually, this is very clever, it's a triangle, but it's like the start of a press video to start kind of thing, isn't it? And then we want two little dots on the top, and it's wider on the top, and we want to then have two little dots, which I don't know, I'm going to have to learn all about this. It could be a Chinese kind of character and have a kind of a meaning to it. Again, come to one side and we're drawing a little triangle, which is the start button. But I think I like these eyes because they look like little eyes on the top, and they kind of give a bit of character to the letter like that. And there we are, and two little dots on the top, and again we can shade that all in. And then when you're absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase the pencil lines, and no one will ever know how you planned it out. Of course, you might like to colour it in Bilibili blue. Thanks for watching, and click down here and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more videos every week. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. 谢谢你的收听，再见。